To practice English speaking, engage in conversations with native speakers or language exchange partners. Practicing English speaking is important for improving language fluency and communication skills. Regular practice helps build confidence and familiarity with the language, leading to better interactions and opportunities in English-speaking environments. Speaking practice is essential for language fluency because it helps to improve pronunciation, intonation, and natural flow of speech. It also strengthens one's ability to express thoughts and ideas coherently and confidently. Setting clear speaking goals is essential for improving communication skills and becoming a more effective speaker. Whether it's focusing on articulation, pacing, or confidence, having specific objectives in mind can help individuals measure their progress and stay motivated. Setting achievable goals can guide your speaking practice by providing a clear direction and motivation to improve your speaking skills. A daily speaking routine in English is essential for improving language skills. It can include activities such as greeting people, discussing daily events, and practicing pronunciation. Creating a consistent daily routine to practice speaking English is crucial for improving your language skills. Set aside a specific time each day to engage in verbal exercises, such as reading aloud, practicing conversations with a friend, or recording yourself speaking. Consistency is key to building confidence and fluency in English. Engaging in conversations with native English speakers helps improve language proficiency and communication skills. Expanding your network and finding opportunities to communicate with native English speakers can be achieved both in person and online. Participating in language exchange programs, joining English-speaking clubs or communities, attending cultural events, and making use of language exchange apps can help you connect with native speakers. Additionally, taking advantage of online platforms such as language exchange websites, social media groups, and video conferencing tools can provide opportunities for meaningful interactions with native English speakers. Language exchange platforms provide a great opportunity to connect with native speakers and practice speaking, listening, and writing in a foreign language. There are various platforms and apps where you can practice speaking with people from around the world, such as language exchange apps, video chat platforms, and online communities dedicated to language learning. Role-playing conversations is a valuable language learning technique that allows participants to practice real-life scenarios in a safe and controlled environment. Through role-playing, individuals can enhance their communication skills, build confidence, and improve their ability to express themselves effectively. This interactive approach to language learning provides a fun and engaging way to practice and reinforce new vocabulary and grammar concepts. Role-playing different scenarios can improve speaking confidence and fluency by providing opportunities for practice and error correction in a safe environment. It allows individuals to step into different roles and situations, helping them to experiment with language use and gain experience in expressing themselves in various contexts. Recording yourself speaking in English is a great way to improve your language skills and gain confidence in communication. It allows you to practice pronunciation, intonation, and fluency by listening to your own voice and identifying areas for improvement. Recording your voice and listening to it allows you to identify areas for improvement such as clarity, tone, and enunciation. It helps in refining your communication skills and enhancing your overall vocal delivery. Mimicking native speakers is an effective method to improve language skills as it helps in understanding the natural rhythm, intonation, and pronunciation of the language. Watching and imitating native speakers from movies, podcasts, or YouTube videos can be an effective way to improve pronunciation and intonation. By closely observing their mouth movements, rhythm, and stress patterns, language learners can enhance their own speaking skills and sound more natural. Practicing with speech recognition software can improve language fluency and pronunciation by providing real-time feedback on speech patterns and intonation. Speech recognition tools can be utilized for practicing pronunciation and fluency by allowing learners to speak and receive instant feedback on their pronunciation. Talking to oneself in English can be a helpful way to improve language skills and build confidence in communicating. Self-talk can aid in the development of fluency and confidence in language by allowing individuals to practice speaking and build their communication skills in a comfortable, low-pressure environment. Engaging in group conversations is an opportunity to exchange ideas, share experiences, and learn from others. It requires active listening, thoughtful contribution, and respect for diverse perspectives. Joining English-speaking groups can enhance your conversational skills by providing ample opportunities to practice speaking and listening in a supportive environment. Joining online speaking clubs is an excellent way to improve your English language skills by practicing speaking and listening in a supportive environment. There are various platforms and communities that provide opportunities to connect with like-minded individuals and engage in conversations on diverse topics. These clubs can help you build confidence, enhance your fluency, and gain valuable feedback from other members. Participating in virtual English-speaking clubs and communities provides an opportunity to practice speaking, listening, and understanding English in a supportive and encouraging environment. Members can improve language skills while making new friends and expanding their professional network. English is widely used in everyday situations such as shopping, dining, and socializing, making it essential for effective communication. Using English during daily activities such as shopping, ordering food, or asking for directions allows for effective communication and easy navigation in an English-speaking environment. Public speaking is the act of addressing a live audience to impart information, share ideas, or persuade listeners. It requires effective communication skills and confidence to engage and captivate the audience. Engaging in public speaking opportunities such as presentations, speeches, or debates is a powerful way to enhance and refine English language skills. It provides a platform to practice articulating thoughts, ideas, and arguments in a clear and concise manner, while also improving vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. Additionally, these activities boost confidence and the ability to think on one's feet, offering valuable experience for real-life communication in English-speaking environments. Improving pronunciation and accent in the English language is essential for effective communication and understanding. One effective technique for mastering English pronunciation and reducing your accent is to practice through shadowing. This involves listening to native speakers and repeating what they say, focusing on mimicking their pronunciation and intonation. By doing this regularly, you can improve your ability to articulate English sounds accurately. Podcasts are an effective tool for improving speaking skills in the English language, allowing learners to listen and emulate native speakers. Regularly listening to podcast conversations provides exposure to various speaking styles and vocabulary, helping to improve language proficiency and fluency. Reading aloud in English can improve pronunciation, fluency, and comprehension. It helps learners to hear and practice the rhythm and intonation of the language. Reading books, articles, or scripts aloud is crucial for practicing speaking as it helps in improving pronunciation, fluency, intonation, and confidence in communication. Learning to think in English is a valuable skill that can greatly enhance proficiency in the language. It involves not just translating words from your native language, but understanding and processing thoughts and ideas directly in English. Immerse yourself in an English-speaking environment. Surround yourself with English media, such as movies, TV shows, and music, to help your brain acclimate to thinking in English without needing to translate. Flashcards are a versatile tool for engaging conversation prompts and language learning, providing visual cues and vocabulary reinforcement. Using flashcards is an effective way to prompt spontaneous conversation practice and language learning. Simply create flashcards with various topics or questions that prompt conversation, and use them in conversation sessions with a partner or a language tutor. Take turns drawing a flashcard and initiating a conversation based on the topic or question, allowing for spontaneous and natural language usage. Speaking with English tutors is a great way to improve language proficiency and fluency. Tutors can provide personalized guidance, feedback, and resources to help learners enhance their speaking skills. Through regular conversations with tutors, learners can practice pronunciation, intonation, and communication strategies, gaining confidence in expressing themselves in English. Hiring a tutor for focused speaking practice can provide targeted instruction to improve speaking skills and confidence in the language. Practicing debates and discussions in English language can help improve language skills, critical thinking, and persuasion abilities. Engaging in structured debates and discussions allows participants to articulate their thoughts effectively, consider different viewpoints, and develop a nuanced understanding of various issues. Engaging in debates and discussions is an effective way to practice expressing opinions and arguments in English. It helps to develop language skills, critical thinking, and confidence in articulating ideas. Using social media for speaking practice allows language learners to interact with native speakers and engage in real-life conversations, improving their fluency and confidence. Joining social media groups and engaging in live chats or discussions is a great way to practice English. It provides opportunities for real-time interaction with native speakers and language learners, allowing for practical application of language skills. Developing conversational confidence in English is about practicing speaking regularly, building vocabulary, and being open to making mistakes to learn from them. Practice regularly with a language partner or native speaker to build confidence in real-life situations. Overcoming the fear of making mistakes is essential for language learners to progress and gain confidence in their skills. Embracing mistakes as a natural part of the learning process can lead to improved fluency and communication. Embracing mistakes as part of the learning process is essential for growth and improvement. Instead of fearing mistakes, learners can view them as valuable opportunities to gain insight and enhance their skills. Tracking your speaking progress in a new language is essential for measuring your improvement and setting achievable goals. By regularly recording and analyzing your spoken language, you can identify areas for improvement and celebrate your successes. To measure and monitor your progress in English speaking over time, start by setting specific goals such as increasing vocabulary, improving pronunciation, or enhancing fluency.